Blackpool, Merry Christmas.
Nigel Farage, Prime Minister.
Welcome to Blackpool.
I see you, baby.
Cheers! Hi! Thank you!
Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas! Thank you!
Are you alright, sir?
Yeah.
Shit on the villa. Shit on the villa.
So you have to shit on the villa. You're never going to be high enough to shit on the villa.
I'm coming back.
I'd like to say all the people in Blackpool, Merry Christmas.
Hi! Yes, thank you very much.
Proud of it. Happy Merry Christmas from my family at home in Hartlepool, for my grandkids and my sons and all the family in Hartlepool. Proud of British.
Shouting this.
British. Sing it.
Hang on.
Cheers! Enjoy your shippies! Thank you, cheers!
Thanks, Peter.
Welcome to Benidorm! No, he's definitely going to let me out.
Nigel Farage, Prime Minister. Nigel Farage, Prime Minister. And Tommy Robinson.
Hi Lynn, my mother from Tipton. How we doing? All good, I help.
Love to you all.
Love to you all.
I want you to all with it.
Brilliant, absolutely fantastic.
Cheers!
you. Nice one.
Cheers.
Cheers! In London.
Hiya, Laura, Jamie. I hope you're having some fun at home. Have a lovely Christmas. We'll see you when we get back. Thank you. Bless you.
Yeah. Hi. Enjoy.
How are you?
Hola. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hope to see you later. Bye.
Feliz Navidad.
Navidad. Hi.
Dad's come all the way from Crewe to see you.
Yeah?
Great bud. Wow. Hello.
Hi.
We're all having a laugh over that.
We're still here.
Hi. Happy Christmas. Really? Thank you very much.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to East Carter. Okay. Get in here. Listen. This is my friend John Moore. We haven't seen each other for years and years, but we're having a drink in Benidorm.
I'll tell you what.
Hang on, shut up. She loves it. This is content. You like this? I haven't seen him for years and years, but I knew we were in Benidorm. I've got in touch today, and we're here now, and we're reminiscing about the 70s and this October when we're little kiddies, and we're here again now. Did you hear that song? Reaching out.
Here we are.
Keep giving that love and peace.
Me.
You've got your content now. Hey, Caroline. We're all telling her. That'll do. You got it.
That'll do.
Thank you.
Hi. Enjoy. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Hi. Thank you.
We're sending our best to all our friends, especially Jason.
He's been slacking us off all week.
You can't use that.
Sorry.
Hi guys. Hello, everybody. I'm from Hull, everybody. Hello, everybody. Back in Hull. Hi. Enjoy.
Hallo, de groeten aan mijn zus Wil. Doei Wil, doei. Zij kijkt altijd.
We'd like to say hello to all our family and
Yeah,
say,
Matt, Danielle, Cody, all the in-laws. Yeah.
yeah,
Right,
and
having a good time
Daniel,
here in Benidorm.
Jessica, Jenny, and Joseph.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you. Thank you.
Hemen şu an. İyi bir bak.
With the sun in our face, straight to the strip, what a bloody fine place.